different species have different shades of green. So, if you learn, if you get completely familiar with the plants, then just by looking at the color of the leaves, you can identify from a distance what it may be, that species. For example, here I'll show about 10 different greens. This is a green of the Centella asiatica. One green. This is another green. You can compare the little bit differences there. Then third green is this one, this tulsi. So this is one more green with reddish tinge. And then indigofera. This is another green. Here you can see the green. You can compare two greens. This is indigofera. This is that tulsi, one Krishna tulsi. Then one more green is this oregano. This one more green. This is one more green. Then that is another green, Alpina galangal. And then that is another green, Barleria. That green. And then there is Vitex. That is one more type of green. Then more are there. I'm not done. Few other greens. This is aquatic fern. So this is one green. This is another one. This is the green of colocasia. So here you can see the contrast between this green so some differences there. And here three greens we can see. This is the green of I think this must be rosemary. So this is one green. This is another green. If you hold them both next to each other, you notice the difference. So they are different. Then one more green is there. That is this one. This is commonly referred to as in Bangalore and all, mistakenly as lavender. Actually, it's not lavender. It is another Mediterranean herb. That name I have forgotten now. So this has one more green. And here itself you can see three greens. This grass has one green. This one is one green. This is another green. So in a nutshell, every species has its own variation of green color.